Welcome, travelers! Are you ready to discover the perfect outfits for every destination? Did you know that 82% of travelers admit to overpacking, yet only wear half of what they bring? Shocking, right? Or how about this? The global travel clothing market is expected to hit $19.6 billion by 2027. That's a lot of stylish outfits. In this video, we'll guide you through 9 amazing chapters. Each one is packed with tips and tricks to help you dress perfectly for any trip. Whether you're heading to a tropical beach, exploring a bustling city, or hiking in the mountains, we've got you covered. We'll start with how to look fabulous on a tropical getaway, then move on to stylish city outfits, and later, we'll tackle high-altitude fashion for your mountain adventures. Plus, we have special tips for desert, rainforest, and cruise trips. Stay tuned for expert advice, unique facts, and practical tips. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to pack for your next adventure. Ready to travel in style? Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Tropical Getaway Glam, Beach Bliss Attire. When you think of a tropical getaway, you picture sunny skies, sandy beaches, and the sound of waves crashing. But what do you wear to feel fabulous and stay comfortable? First, let's talk about sarongs. They are versatile and easy to pack. You can wear them as a skirt, a dress, or even a beach blanket. Did you know sarongs originated in Southeast Asia and have been worn for centuries? They're a staple in many cultures, making them a stylish and cultural choice. Breezy sundresses are another must-have. They keep you cool and are perfect for beachside brunches. According to a fashion study by the University of Cambridge, lightweight cotton and linen fabrics are the best for hot climates because they allow your skin to breathe. And of course, chic swimwear is a must. Opt for styles that can transition from swimming to sipping cocktails at a beach bar. Look for pieces with unique designs or vibrant colors. As Coco Chanel once said, fashion is not something that exists in dresses only. Your swimwear can make a statement, too. Accessories play a crucial role in completing your beach look. Wide-brimmed hats and oversized sunglasses not only protect you from the sun but add a touch of glamour. According to the Skin Cancer Foundation, wearing a wide-brimmed hat can reduce your risk of skin cancer by providing shade for your face, ears, and neck. Chapter 2. Urban Explorer Chic, City Slicker Styles. Exploring a new city can be an exhilarating adventure. But what do you wear to look stylish and stay comfortable on those long walks? Start with trendy yet practical outfits. Think of items like stylish sneakers. Sneakers have come a long way in fashion and are now a staple in any urban wardrobe. A study by the American Orthopedic Foot and Ankle Society found that proper footwear can prevent common foot injuries during long walks. Lightweight layers are essential. Cities can have unpredictable weather, so layering is key. A light jacket or cardigan can be easily added or removed. According to the Weather Channel, cities like New York and London can experience sudden temperature changes, making layering a practical choice. Versatile accessories can elevate your look. A fashionable backpack or crossbody bag keeps your hands free while exploring. As Marie Kondo says, the objective of cleaning is not just to clean, but to feel happiness living within that environment. The same applies to your accessories. They should make your travels easier and more enjoyable. Comfort is crucial, but so is looking good. Opt for breathable fabrics like cotton or bamboo. According to the National Institute of Standards and Technology, bamboo fabric is naturally antibacterial and wicks moisture away, keeping you fresh throughout the day. Sunglasses are a must in any city. They protect your eyes from UV rays and add an element of cool to your outfit. The Vision Council reports that wearing sunglasses can reduce the risk of cataracts and other eye issues caused by sun exposure. Chapter 3. Mountain Majesty, High-Altitude Fashion. Heading to the mountains? Dressing for high-altitude adventures requires a mix of style and functionality. Layering is your best friend. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer to keep sweat away from your skin. According to a study by the American Physiological Society, moisture-wicking fabrics can improve comfort and performance in cold environments. Add an insulating layer for warmth. Fleece or down jackets are lightweight and provide excellent insulation. Did you know that down jackets were invented in the 1930s by Eddie Bauer after he almost died of hypothermia on a fishing trip? A waterproof outer layer is essential. Weather in the mountains can be unpredictable, so a good waterproof jacket is a must. The Appalachian Mountain Club advises that proper outerwear can prevent hypothermia, which can occur even in relatively mild temperatures if you're wet and exposed to wind. Stylish yet functional outerwear is key. Look for pieces that combine performance with aesthetics. The North Face and Patagonia are great brands that offer both. According to a report by Allied Market Research, the global outdoor apparel market is expected to reach $19.6 billion by 2027, reflecting the growing demand for stylish and functional outdoor wear. Footwear is crucial in the mountains. Invest in good hiking boots with ankle support. According to the National Park Service, ankle injuries are among the most common hiking injuries, and proper boots can help prevent them. Don't forget your accessories. A warm hat and gloves are essential for high altitudes. As the old saying goes, if your feet are cold, put on a hat. It's true. Keeping your head warm helps maintain your overall body temperature. Finally, consider sunglasses with UV protection. The higher the altitude, the stronger the UV rays. The World Health Organization states that UV levels increase by 10% to 12% for every 1,000 meters of altitude. Protecting your eyes is crucial. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Chapter 4: Cultural Wanderlust, Heritage-Inspired Ensembles. Traveling to a new place means immersing yourself in its culture. What better way to do that than through your outfit? Start with traditional pieces. For example, if you're visiting Japan, a modern kimono or yukata can be both stylish and respectful. These garments have been worn for centuries and are deeply rooted in Japanese culture. Mix traditional with modern. Pair a traditional piece with contemporary clothing to create a unique look. Think of a colorful Indian sari with a modern blouse. This blend shows respect for the culture while staying fashionable. Look for local artisans. Buying from local markets supports the community and gets you unique pieces. A study by the World Bank found that tourism can significantly boost local economies, especially when tourists buy local products. Comfort is key. Traditional clothes are often designed for the local climate. For instance, the loose-fitting tunics and pants common in Middle Eastern countries keep you cool in the heat. According to the United Nations World Tourism Organization, comfort is a top priority for travelers. Accessorize with intention. Jewelry and accessories can add a cultural touch to your outfit. In many African cultures, beadwork is not just decoration but a form of storytelling. Each color and pattern can have a specific meaning. Be mindful of cultural norms. Some places have dress codes, especially for religious sites. In many Southeast Asian countries, it's respectful to cover your shoulders and knees when visiting temples. The Pew Research Center notes that understanding and respecting cultural norms is crucial for a positive travel experience. Choose breathable fabrics. Cotton, linen, and silk are common in many traditional outfits. According to a study by the Textile Research Journal, these fabrics are excellent for regulating body temperature. Chapter 5: Road Trip Ready, Effortless and Comfy. Road trips are all about freedom and adventure. But comfort and style can go hand in hand. Start with soft fabrics. Think of stretchy jeans or leggings. They offer the flexibility needed for long hours in the car. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, soft fabrics reduce skin irritation during long wear. Layer up. A lightweight jacket or hoodie can keep you warm during those early morning starts or late night drives. The National Sleep Foundation suggests layering clothes to maintain comfort as temperatures fluctuate. Pack multifunctional pieces. A large scarf can double as a blanket, a pillow, or even a picnic mat. Versatility is your best friend on the road. As minimalist expert Joshua Becker says, the first step in crafting the life you want is to get rid of everything you don't. Comfortable shoes are a must. Slip-ons or sneakers are perfect for driving and quick stops. A study by the University of Michigan found that comfortable shoes can reduce fatigue and improve driving safety. Don't forget sun protection. Sunglasses and a wide-brimmed hat protect you from the sun's glare. The Skin Cancer Foundation states that protecting your eyes and face from UV rays is crucial, even when you're in the car. Easy-to-wear outfits are essential. Choose clothes that don't wrinkle easily. Fabrics like spandex blends are great for this. According to a report by Grand View Research, the demand for wrinkle-resistant fabrics is increasing among travelers. Stay hydrated. While not an outfit tip, it's vital to your comfort. A reusable water bottle with a stylish design can be a great accessory. The Mayo Clinic recommends drinking water regularly to stay hydrated, especially on long trips. Chapter 6. Winter Wonderland Wardrobe. Cozy and chic. Dressing for winter travel is all about layering and staying warm while looking chic. Start with a good base layer. Thermal tops and bottoms made of merino wool or synthetic fabrics are perfect. According to a study by the International Journal of Occupational Safety and Ergonomics, these materials are excellent for insulation. Add an insulating layer. A down or synthetic jacket works wonders. Down jackets are lightweight yet incredibly warm. Fun fact: the first down jacket was created by Eddie Bauer in 1936 after he almost died of hypothermia. A stylish outer layer is key. A waterproof and windproof coat protects you from the elements. The National Weather Service advises that wind chill can make cold temperatures feel even colder, so a good coat is essential. Don't forget your accessories. A warm hat, gloves, and scarf are must-haves. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, wearing these can help prevent frostbite in extreme conditions. Invest in quality boots. Waterproof boots with good insulation keep your feet warm and dry. The Foot Health Facts website recommends boots with good traction to prevent slips on icy surfaces. Layering isn't just for warmth, it can be stylish too. Mix and match colors and textures for a chic look. Coco Chanel once said, "Fashion fades, only style remains the same." This is especially true for winter fashion. Choose fabrics that trap heat. Wool, fleece, and cashmere are great options. According to a study by the Woolmark Company, wool can absorb moisture while still retaining warmth, making it ideal for winter wear. Keep it simple and functional. You don't need a lot of clothes to stay warm, just the right ones. As Marie Kondo suggests, keep only those things that speak to your heart. This applies to your wardrobe too. Chapter 7. Desert Dazzle. Heat-proof fashion. Desert climates can be extreme, with scorching days and cool nights. Dressing appropriately is key to enjoying your desert adventures. Start with breathable fabrics. Cotton and linen are your best friends in the heat. These materials allow your skin to breathe and wick away moisture. According to a study by the Hohenstein Institute, cotton's breathability makes it ideal for hot weather. Opt for loose-fitting clothes. Tight clothes can be uncomfortable and trap heat. Loose garments allow air to circulate, keeping you cooler. As fashion designer Diane von Furstenberg says, "Feel like a woman, wear a dress." Maxi dresses and loose pants are perfect for desert trips. Choose light colors. Lighter shades reflect the sun's rays, while dark colors absorb them. This simple choice can make a big difference in how comfortable you feel. The U.S. National Park Service suggests wearing light-colored clothing to stay cool in desert parks. Wide-brimmed hats are essential. They provide shade and protect your face from the sun. A study by the Skin Cancer Foundation found that hats with a brim of at least 3 inches can significantly reduce UV exposure. Sunglasses are a must. The intense desert sun can be harsh on your eyes. Choose sunglasses with UV protection to prevent damage. The Vision Council reports that UV protective sunglasses can reduce the risk of cataracts. Stay hydrated with a stylish water bottle. Keeping a reusable water bottle handy is crucial. The Mayo Clinic recommends drinking water regularly to prevent dehydration, which is common in hot climates. Lightweight scarves can be multifunctional. Use them to protect your neck from the sun during the day and as a wrap in the cooler evenings. Scarves are not just for style, they are practical too. Sandals or breathable shoes are ideal. Choose footwear that allows your feet to breathe. According to the American Pediatric Medical Association, breathable shoes help prevent foot problems in hot weather. Don't forget sunscreen. Apply it generously and often. The American Academy of Dermatology suggests using a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Sunscreen protects your skin and keeps it healthy. Chapter 8. Rainforest Retreat. Jungle-ready outfits. The rainforest is a lush, humid environment, and dressing right is essential for comfort and protection. Start with moisture-wicking fabrics. Synthetic materials like polyester and nylon are great for keeping sweat away from your skin. A study by the Journal of Applied Physiology found that moisture-wicking fabrics can significantly improve comfort in humid conditions. Long sleeves and pants are a must. They protect you from insect bites and thorny plants. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, recommends wearing long clothing to prevent mosquito bites in tropical areas. Opt for quick dry clothes. In the rainforest, you will likely get wet. Quick dry fabrics help you stay comfortable. According to outdoor gear expert REI, quick dry clothing is essential for staying dry and preventing chafing. Wear a hat with a brim. It keeps rain out of your face and offers some sun protection. The American Cancer Society suggests wearing hats to protect your skin from UV rays, even in cloudy conditions. Waterproof footwear is crucial. Choose boots that can handle muddy trails and keep your feet dry. The Appalachian Trail Conservancy advises wearing waterproof boots to avoid blisters and infections.